Hi, when you're down, sad, upset, depressed, what do? My video will greatly help you. I'm going to give you 10 things, at least do some of them that will definitely more likely will pull you out of the mood, the depression or sadness, or you're down. It's very natural. Life is full of ups and downs. Don't be discouraged that when you're in a down cycle, the next will only be up cycle. But these techniques, these methods will greatly help you. Just follow as many of them. They are very simple things. I'll guarantee that it'll make a big difference in your life. This is actually a two-part series. The first part is mostly physical, body and mind related. The second one is a little bit more spiritual and mind and spiritual related. So let me cover the body part, the physical part of it in this video, part 1, and there's a second video, part 2, and you should listen to both of them. They're very short and to the point. The first step technique is that to close your eyes is to say, it's okay. It's okay. Everything will be all right. I will be all right. Just say that softly, quietly, firmly, and believe in that. And that's the first step. And every step I'm going to tell you, you're going to do the same thing. Hey, I'm all right. It's okay. I'm going to be fine moving forward. Things going to be much better moving forward. That's what you say. And keep saying that a few times a day. Whenever you're down in the negative side or down, a little sad, just say this. It's okay. I'm going to be all right. It's going to be much better from now, and I'm going to be doing fine. That's what you say. That's step 1. The step 2 is fresh air. Go out, preferably go out and get some fresh air and do some breathing exercises. You can still do inside your home if you can go outside. Outside is what I would highly recommend. You get a lot more fresh oxygen, cool air. You need that. The simple one is just deep breaths outside for 5 minutes. That'll completely change your mindset. Or the best will be the breath works. I have a separate video on breath work. You can look at other breath works like Wim Hof or a 4x4 cubic breath work, where you basically breathe at the count of 4 and breathe out in count of 4. Then go to 6 and let out 6. Then you go what we call the square breath. Deep breaths, the count of 4 or 6, hold for a count of 4 or 6, and let it out the count of 4 or 6, and hold it for another count of 4 or 6. And go like a square in deep breath in, hold, breath out, hold. Keep going like this another couple of minutes. But deep breath is what you need, and fresh air is what you need. There are other techniques you can do. Look at Wim Hof breathing, and this will completely, in just a couple of minutes, completely transform your mind into so much different and better. That's number 2. Number 3 is walking, exercising. I need you to go for a walk. Preferably, I like you to exercise. In fact, best will be a little bit more rigorous sweating exercise like jogging, running, or some kind of aerobic exercise will be good. Go for a yoga class or some other class, or simply go for a longer exercise. Go for a couple of miles walking or jogging, running, or simply just walk. If you can't do anything, just simply walk in fresh air. Look at the sky, look at the birds, look at the trees, look at the sun and moon, whatever that is. Just go for a walk. Put on your, music or something in the earpod. Just go for a nice long walk. Take your mind off. Don't think about it. Again, all the time, everyone I'm talking about here, you'll be thinking about the same topic about it's okay, I'm going to be all right. Anytime you feel down, you just do that to get out of it. The number 3 was exercise or walking, whichever way you can do that. Number 4 is water. Water is a good absorber of negative energy and flip your energy out. Now, how do you deal with water? Go for a shower, nice hot shower, long shower, or go for a swimming Swimming is good. Or wade in a bottle of water, like could be a river or a lake or ocean. Go to the ocean side, get that fresh salt water air coming in, and keep wade your foot in the ocean or in the lake or in the river, whatever you can. Large body of water is a huge absorber of negative energy. It'll flip you, make you positive. Ideally, I would like you to have a shower plus water all over your body, preferably something like swimming in a swimming pool or even a small body of water. Again, don't make sure you can swim all right. Make sure you are safe. But if you can, just immersing your body into water, the water will absorb the negative energy. At the very least, take a shower. That's number 4. Again, in the process, tell yourself, it's okay, I'm all right, it's going to be much better moving forward, my life will be much better. Keep saying that, affirm that all the time. Number 5 is go out in the nature. You're going to ground yourself. Go for nice nature walk. Could be a hike, could be a mountain, could be just grass, could be just simply walking in a park, could be touching the trees, the plant, the flowers. Be with nature, absorb the nature energy, ground yourself. I want you to have a barefoot, walk on the grass, barefoot if you can, walk on the ground a little bit. Touch the trees, hug the trees, touch the plants. You're going to get the energy from the nature, the flowers. That just be with the nature, touch the nature, be grounding yourself. Go for a good hike. But hike, of course, you need to have a shoe there. When I say barefoot, it's only for walking maybe in the grass or a park or something. You can have a shoes, but put the shoe away and walk on the grass a little bit and walk on the ground a little bit. Not necessarily, I'm asking you to go for a 2-mile walk or a hike with barefoot. But if you go for a hike, that's good too, very good too. But generally try to ground yourself, which is my point. Point number 6 is calming your mind down in meditation. Go inside, sit in a chair or sit in the ground, close your eyes, just calm your mind down. There are many meditation techniques. Follow your breath, clear your mind, just stay quiet, empty your mind. Many things you can do. Focus on a chakra, third eye, just so many different types of meditation, awareness meditation. Just do any meditation that you resonate with, and then calm your mind. But just don't go off in train of thoughts. Don't go off ranting, thinking about the past and be feeling bad. This is the exact opposite. I want you to calm your mind down, forget about the past, and just empty your mind if you can and relax. You focus on one thing. Could be a breath, could be a chakra, could be awareness, could be a flower, could be whatever it is. Just focus your mind on one thing or empty your mind. There are a lot of meditation exercises. Follow that. That's my point here. But the last thing I don't want you to do, think about the past and brood over it. Again, I want to repeat here, every one of the steps, you're going to tell yourself that it's okay, my life is going to be better, I'm all right, it's going to be much better moving forward. The next, number 7, is music. And take any music you like, mostly relaxing music, calming music. Could be a piano, could be whatever that is, a relaxing instrumental music, a nice song maybe. Just listen to that, go for a walk, or just simply put on your earset, just listen to it. Or perhaps you read a book or something, just listen to good music that should relax you or if you can sing, even good, just sing a song that you like to do. Whatever you like to do, just go and listen to music or sing. The next one, number 8, is nourishing yourself. Drink eat some good, healthy, natural food. Drink some good, cool water, or some smoothie drinks, healthy things, natural things like natural fruits, or natural healthy salads, healthy meal. It's okay to have a meal, but let it be a healthy, happy meal that you feel good and nourishes your body. Don't eat junk food. Don't start drinking your, which is sugary soda or French fries or fatty stuff that makes you down and too full. I want this to be light a nice, refreshing, and happy and healthy, gives you nutrient. So eat something that you really enjoy as well, something you like. You got to look forward to it. Number 9 is sleep. Go for a good sleep. Just get a good night's sleep, or at least get a few naps, and just refresh yourself. Sleep is very important, and that will change your mind there. Lastly, number 10 is do some relaxing things, such as reading a book, chatting with a friend. Whatever you consider relaxing, do that, and go for the long walk or watch a movie. That's what you want. Do some relaxing thing. Take your mind off completely. When you do this, read a book, chat with a friend, your mind is completely off on the problem. This is the 10 things you can do for your body and mind. I will guarantee these will make a big, big difference if you follow what I'm saying, these 10 steps. But every step of the way, you be in the state like, it's okay, I don't care, past is past, I'm looking forward to my life. Life will be much better. Life takes care of me. Universe takes care of me. My life is going to be much better moving forward. Things will happen. Great positive things will happen. Keep affirming these statements. And that's very important. Don't dwell on the past. You accept whatever happened. But moving forward, I'm going to be all right. Moving forward, my life will be much better. The universe takes care of me, or my higher self, my angels, take care of me. I'll be just good. I'll be great. In fact, I'm looking forward to the future. My life is going to be so much beautiful from tomorrow. That's the way you got to think and act. Follow these 10 steps. I will guarantee these will make a huge difference. You will not be, more likely you'll completely flip out of it. You will not be sad or down or depressed. Even if you are, could be only a fraction, small part of it, a good part of it can go away from it. Then I want you to look at the part 2 of the video. We're going to go a little bit differently into the spiritual soul and other aspects of body, mind, or body, mind, soul aspects of getting out of your episode, or your period of sadness or down, depression. I think you can get out of this here. Hope you like the video. If you do, please like, subscribe, and share. And let's go into the part 2 of the video, which will complement this. Do all these 10 steps I told you today, plus also do the other 10 steps I'm going to tell you in the part 2. Hope it's very useful. Hope you came out of it. Drop me a note. I'm here to help you. My biggest joy will be that you get out of your sadness or being upset or down or depression. There'll be a joy to me if you turn around. That's my hope. That's my wish. That's my blessing. Take care. I'm 𝐰𝐻𝐾. I'm part of the Manifesting the Best channel. I do have a course. I'm thinking of a course on positivity that will help you as well. But I have a course on manifesting and being positive and getting out of these states. Join me in that in signing up in spiritualuniversity.org. It's also in the description here. And I'll see you in the part 2 of the video. Take care. If you like the video, please subscribe, like, and share this. Thank you.